So, hello everyone, welcome to all to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club of NIT-A. Today we are going to discuss the minimum common value problem from the latest LeetCode round. So, let's read the problem statement. In this question, we are having two integer arrays num1 and num2 sorted in non-decreasing order. We have to return the minimum integer common to both the arrays. If there is a no common integer amongst num1 and num2, we have to return -1. So note that the integer is said to be common to num1 and num2 if both array have at least one occurrence common. So let's understand the problem first. So in this question we have given two num1 and num2, two integer arrays. Like let us say the num1 having 1, 2 and 3, and in num2 we having 2 and 3. So we are looking for the least common element among them. So when we traverse along num1, we found one. We found one. We found one, but one is not here in num2. And when we increment the value, uh, then we found two. We found two, which is also present in num2. So we have to just return num2. We have to just return the value 2. And if 2 is not present, if no element common between them, we have to return -1. So it's quite simple. Just look on the code. So in this question, I have just take a map which store all the elements which are present in the num1, and when I traverse along the num2, if I encounter with any element which already present in the map, I just return it. If there is a no common element, I just return -1. So that's it for this problem. Thank you.